All right, welcome back, my dear students. So it's time for us to go and launch this online so that way we can see this work in this contact page and add some more features. But anyway, for those of you that signed up with GoDaddy, congratulations, you just signed up with the best hosting company out there, the cheapest, and then they can help you just in case you have any issues. But we are here for that, right? I'm gonna help you. So when you sign up, you should have your account. You should have your name up here, because when you sign up, you should be signed in automatically. If not, don't worry, you're gonna get those credentials over your email and you will be able to sign in. All right, super easy to do. But once you are signed in, you can click on here and this will drop down, and then you can just click on the link that says my account. You want to go to where your account is, and when you click my account, all right, and this might change in the future, just look for my account in GoDaddy. Then you're gonna have all these tabs here. All right, I don't want to go more up because you're going to see my personal information, but this is the major tabs that you're going to need to be concerned with. All right, the major one is web hosting. All right, so if yours says setup, because it's brand new, you should click on setup, and it should be this one, Economy Linux hosting with cPanel. If it says setup, click it. If it doesn't say setup and it says manage, just click manage, and that manage is going to take you, and I'll show you where. It's going to take you to a screen that looks like this, which is your cPanel. And now let me just give you a little tour on the cPanel. A lot of companies are charging like $14.99, a lot of money for cPanel. cPanel is this big pile of software that you can use to do a lot of unbelievable stuff to your server. All right, this file manager here is where our web files will be, or where we put our files for our minimalistic website. That's what we're going to be uploading it to. All right, we can create FTP accounts to allow people to get in here to connect to our cPanel, right, to our web directory. Create databases. We can create website applications with one click, like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, forums. All right, and we can drag this around however we want. All right, emails, metrics, security, you name it, is here. Now, you don't see a lot of use for it right now, but when you get more advanced, you're going to need this stuff. And guess what? You already got it basically for free. All right, all you had to do was purchase your hosting, and that's it. You're done. All right, cool. Let's go to File Manager, and we're gonna go to the web root right here, and I'm just gonna show hidden files. I selected that. And now here, you're probably not going to have all these files if you just signed up with GoDaddy, but I have all these files because I have a couple applications in here. I know this looks like a mess, but believe me, there's a whole bunch of applications in here. Now, remember, this is your domain, all right? This is the web root of your domain. Whatever you have in here will show in your domain name. So if your domain name is like mine, let's say edwindiaz.com, the first page that is going to show here will be your index.html. all right, this would be the index.html. So here for PHP is a little different because Edwin Diaz is built with PHP. Index.php will be the homepage, but your homepage will always be index. And sometimes you will not see this here. You will not see, but it is here, but you can't see it. See that? And it will redirect me to this one here. But the index.php is hidden there. So you will never see your index unless you click it on some links and we take you to that. And your HTML as well. Alright? You will never see that. You will just see your domain name like this. Alright. But anyway, so I have some files here, and these files are applications that I have under this domain. So for example, I have Edwin Cole College /CMS. That's a folder, and inside that folder I have an index.php like this. That is the homepage for this application. This is the folder, and this is the homepage. All right. Again, this is not going to show, so we can just type. We can type this, and that's it. And we go to contact page. You can see a / contact page after it. All right. I just wanted to show you that. But anyway, you don't need, if you just sign up for GoDaddy, you don't need to make folders. I'm going to make a folder. Well, I already have one here, it's empty. But I'm going to put a folder because I already have all the applications. For you, whatever I'm putting in this HTML, you're going to put it in this root directory, which is public_HTML, the same one right here. All right. So whatever I'm uploading here, you upload to this directory, which is the one before that. And you can press back right here again. And this will show it to you right here where you are. So if I click on it, you can see that I'm inside that folder. All right, let's click back. You can see I'm inside the HTML and then inside public_HTML, which is the root directory. All right, so let's go to this one here, and I'm gonna upload all these files that I got in this website folder right here. The best way to do that is to compress. So I'm going to grab all this, right click it, and compress 6 items. And the reason why it's so easy for me is because I'm using a Mac. But for those of you that are using Windows, you can right click and zip it. All right. And if you don't know how to do that, there is a program that you can download called 7-Zip, I believe. And you go here and you download it for your Windows operating system. And then once you install it, I believe you can just right click it and it would tell you to compress it in WinZip, and just do that. All right. Why are we compressing it? Because it's easier to upload. All right. So anyway, let me give it a name. I'm going to call it website. And I'm going to drop it in my desktop. I'm going to go to File Manager. I'm inside that folder HTML that I just created, but for you would be, again, public_HTML. So I'm going to upload that file that I got in my desktop. Select it. All right. And that file's name was named website. All right, I selected it. Sorry about that. I think I went to the wrong screen. All right, so I selected it. Once that opens up, you select it and starts downloading. You can see here when it finishes. You see it? So it's complete. We can go back and we can click reload right here, and you can see that in here. Let's right click it and let's extract it to that same folder. Extract, close, and now you can see all your files right here. All right. So now if we go to that domain name of yours, well, in this case it's going to be my domain name, right? Let's go to, let me show you how that is looking, and to the folder HTML. And as you can see, the website is right here. So if I click on the pages, everything is working. The best thing is that we can make our, oops, that's because I have another application in the Edwin Code College right here. All right, that's why every mistake that I make in other links, when I click on it, it would take me to that for page. But anyway, all right, about us, contact, and that takes me to that. But I have to change that link there because for you it can work. It can take you to the home directory. But for me, it's not working because it's taking me all the way back here, and this is where I have another application. But if you don't have anything, if you don't have a folder like I do, when you click here, it should take you to your home directory. All right, so I'm going to leave it there. Now, in the next lecture, let's make this contact form work with PHP. Don't get scared. This is going to be easy. I promise you it's going to be pain-free. Thank you, and I see you in the next lecture.